what's called older firmware. And yeah, does the job. Nothing's wrong with the camera. They claim new firmware is going to add all these new features and functions. And what are they? Go online, check it out, the official site. Because that's what they tell us when we want new firmware. Check the official site out. Startup, the instant on? I don't think so. So why make firmware that's not going to fix anything? Well, I'm not being negative. I'm just speaking my mind out loud of the things I think inside out to you. Spring's made of flowers. Is it going to fix the external audio and power hookup? Timmy, if you can't laugh at the things I'll say to you, what more can I tell you? Why do you avoid puddles? Sinkholes, baby! Sinkholes! Had to do the mode on and hit the shutter. I get a quicker time! Well, this is where I'm heading out. I'm heading over here to Lowe's. And yeah, we got the ambulance, whatnot, coming up behind. It's a rainy day. On the rainiest day to build a birdhouse. I don't want to get wet. My camera's not waterproof. Sure it is. And that's the bitch we hear. The off button. I walk away from the car. And my car's on. And I shot 15 minutes later. Has that ever happened to you? Look how clear I am. The camera. Man, what if I shut the light off? I should be crystal clear, 4K. Right, DJI? Oh, what a vlog day it is. Well, I got my piece of wood. I got one of the best pieces of wood ever. Don't have a single knot in it. Gotta have some paint in the house now. I gotta do some testing with the spray gun, battery operated. And yeah, I got white water base paint. I got the chemicals to dilute it. Spray, spray, spray. Build the birdhouse. You want to see the birdhouse being built? Oh, what's this? Look at this nice car, man. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. What is it? Should be right. The other car should be on there. That's nice. I got my birdhouse. You know, it's right here. Did all my cuts. I'm not perfect anymore. And let me tell you, I got to do a little sanding, a little filing, but everything's all set up. And I got these two. I got these two pieces, right? And they go here just like this. They make my top. The only thing I need to do is take one of these, drill a keyhole. Did I say a keyhole? A circular hole, and then make something metal so this way the squirrel don't get through this. Version number 2. Yeah, much better than the first one, but it's never perfect. At least I painted it. I still could take a coat of paint on it. I got everything made up, and it's squirrel proof. Nobody's going to chew through metal. If he wants to get in, I bet you he'd chew anywhere else, but there you go. All made.